Hello, Nomad Sculpt, Quickshots, part 36. Let's sculpt quick such a NFL helmet. Someone asked in YouTube how to make a NFL football helmet. Okay, let's try. Okay, let's create a new one. We delete the sphere, we create a new one. Perspective off, wire is on, outline is on. Let's bring in a sphere. Okay, subdivision 3 is okay. Validate. Then we need the right view. Move. And with a big radius, we bring out the chin. Like this. And we make the head a little bit smaller like this. Then it's almost a head. Then we keep the right view. We can lock it. And we use the split function. And here's a reference. Create such a split curve. Use a polygon. Sorry. Add a few points. Let's look at the reference. It could work. It's only about the technique, how to do this. And press the green button. Then you got two meshes. Now we can leave the split function. And here in the solo view, you can see unlock your view cube. We got the helmet. And okay, right view, solo view off. And then we need the tube tool. It's the most thing is tubing. Okay, tube tool, pass, and create a tube. Let's give it a color. Paint all. And adjust the radius at the beginning. And the topology. Division 6 is okay, we can subdivide it later. Okay, this is our starting tube. And in the settings, start, end, or every point, choose every point and bring in here the first point on the mesh, and in the tube settings on the left side there's a snap offset. You can use it with 1 and use the lock function. Edit spline is not on. Why does it? work like a spline. Okay, the division. And use the mirror function, then you see the other side is also created, and it looks like this. Okay. Okay, I think it works. Then the next tube, strike here and turn on the snapping. And turn the snap off. And in the front view, let's add a new point, snap on, snap it here. Okay. And create with pass another one, snap on. And now snap off, like this. Look at the reference. Okay. Then front view, create another path, turn the snap function on, bring it here, and add a few points. And the snap offset always gets back. Check it from time to time. Yeah, you can play around with the tubes like you want. And in the last one is create another path, green dot, snap function, snap it here, and create a few points. And now you can turn off the snap and bring it here in position. And the last thing, bring it out here. Like this. When the snap is off, you can adjust it free in the space, in the aligned view. And bring it in position like you want. Oops. Now I think it's okay. Then in the scene menu, you can select all and simple merge them. And if you like, you can voxel remesh it with a higher resolution, remesh it, and you can now smooth the object here, create smooth lines, and I think we have to inflate. Yeah, like this. This is sculpting. And then you can use the decimation and bring the poly count down to about this. And the next thing is the lock view off, and this mesh you can hide. And this mesh you can mask and give it a shell thickness in the mask settings. Go inside and use the minus 0.1. Extract the shell. Where is it? This is one. And this one we can make a little bit, clear the mask, make it a little bit smaller. It's too small. Like this. Mask it, and into the mask you can extract it inside. And give it a color. Turn the wireframe off. Outline off. Okay. And this is the tube. What's this? This is this. And this is the sphere we don't need anymore. And this sphere. Okay. And now we can simple merge the object. And if you like, you can adjust it with a move brush. Yes, make it a little bit like this, or the mesh here, like you want. That's it. Have fun with sculpting. Ciao.